Hey, aloha! Welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 196, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. So we're going to go exploring the volcano today, and of course no idea what we will discover. You'll have to wait and see along with me, but it's kind of like a trip back in time, because we think of volcanoes, or at least I do, as being something so primordial and primitive, and yet it's also a little glimpse of the future, as the volcano is currently spewing lava, which is creating a new planet, new places on the planet for us to walk and live and so forth. So let's go get started. Hey, so welcome to Volcano Walks with Rocks. We're here on the Big Island at the Kilauea crater, and there are, it's huge and beautiful out there, the old crater, and even right here along the trail are active steam vents, so that we could just be. And I'm thinking to myself, wouldn't it be nice if we all had little on a regular basis instead of having it build up to that point of eruption. But anyway, enjoy the view. It's beautiful here, just beautiful. Anyway, so tell me your name, where you're from.
Oh, I'm from, where am I from? Seattle, Washington.
Oh yeah, considerably different here, huh?
Yeah, I'm getting mixed up because next week I'm going down to Cannon Beach in Oregon.
Oh my goodness, yes, you're a world traveler, it sounds like.
Where am I waking up?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, so we're here at the vents. I'm wondering, how do you let off a little steam in your life?
Oh gosh, how do I let off? Oh, I help my daughter, and I like to do things with the boys.
Great.
Grandsons.
All right, well, thanks for joining us today. Aloha.
Aloha.
Descending down into the earth through the rainforest. Giant tree ferns. I wish I knew a tunnel song. So we're going off the beaten path, where it says, "You will need a flashlight, watch your footing, be aware of low ceilings, tread lightly on these fragile resources." So I just have to report, it's very freaky to be literally walking into the unknown. It is complete and utter darkness, except for my flashlight, which I'll turn off in a moment.
Yeah, I can see you perfectly, though.
You can?
Yes.
In utter darkness. So
Utter darkness.
The camera's putting out an infrared light. All I see is a little bit of red light. But it's the sound of dripping water. Voices in the distance. Complete cool stillness. What is this? Just a rock. In the trail. Yes, from up there. It's very wet. So it's just interesting, you know, millions of people walk through the upper little portion, and very, 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 very few decide to go into the darkness, into the unknown. I think as creatures we really, really like our known world. So we saved our light battery to the end. We made it the 1,000 feet into the end of the lava tube, and I will see if Secret Cameraman can turn the light off and we can share utter darkness together. Hey, so we have made it all the way down from the crater top. It's about a, 15-mile, 2,000 feet drop in elevation. We're right here where the lava meets the sea and where the goddess Pele, the goddess of fire, has had her say for the day. And we've been walking on the rocks here, the lava, for about 2 hours, and the sun has set and the full moon is coming up. Well, it's been a wonderful day, so I'm going to sign off with you to the hot lava. Skype, if you'd like to be in touch with us, is Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to give us a call, the number is 949-544-1456, and the email is beachwalks@gmail.com. Thanks so much for joining us today. Aloha from the deep black rock of Hawaii.